Have you ever wanted to learn code and having fun in the meantime without spending days on your computer? Then we have the solution. This is the Hackaball Pro, and let's talk about this now.
So, the Hackaball Pro is very different than the first version of the Hackaball. Beginning with the design evolution. This design is much smaller. There are much more possibilities. It has sensors to calculate speed, altitude, as well as angle of contact angle, and many other things that you can use for sports. The app itself is now available in multi-languages. In Hackaball 1, it was only available in English, and we believe this will broaden our target market. It is more robust and waterproof because we know while playing sports, which this will be used for, that it is not always dry and it could be raining. It is also compatible with other accessories. This includes many different balls for sports so people can practice, and yes, many more uses. Our targets for the Hackaball Pro are sportsmen, anybody who enjoys playing sports and would like to track their capabilities and maybe improve. In addition to all coding learners. This app and product is available to people who have different levels of ability to code. So it's for people who are just trying to learn how to code and would like to do it through something they love, playing sports, or people who are advanced code learners and would like to make very advanced codes that can then be available on open source programs, which moves us on to user experience. So the user experience for the Hackaball Pro is very interesting actually. It is compatible to all devices. So unlike Hackaball 1, which was only compatible to iPhone or Apple products, this one will be compatible to all Android and different interfaces that people may be using. Like I said earlier, we'll have open source programs. So products or codes which other people have created will be available to all users, and this will sort of enhance the experience for people who aren't so good at coding potentially. We hope to improve people's sports capabilities through this product, and there will be, as we said earlier, different coding modes for beginners and advanced coders. The product itself, how does it work? So we have this little Hackaball Pro, and what it will do is it'll be put into our various accessories. This, for example, is a picture of the football layer. In this case, the Hackaball sits inside the football and tracks whatever the football player would like it to track for them once they program it into the app. Put in a tennis ball, it can also be put in a basketball, any sport that you would like, and we believe that this will develop many uses for the product, and maybe people will like to use this for multiple sports. Our communication for this is that we would like this to be communicated through professional sportsmen. We want to have the marquee sort of advocate for the product to be a professional sports person, and we believe that this will create a lot of traction within the sports industry and make the future of the product a lot brighter. We would like this to be used as a sort of a school in schools as a learning tool. We'd like students to learn how to code through playing sports, and we think that a lot more students will take to coding if it involves something fun like sports. We also think that this will be good use to sports academies where people are training for sports at the highest levels and would like to improve on their sports abilities. When launching this, we believe that with this product, we target many more markets than the Hackaball 1. The Hackaball 1 was just for kids, but however, this product is a wide range of adults, kids, anybody who's playing sports. And where we want to launch this is in the UK and France specifically. There's a great sports culture, and we believe that this is where the product has the biggest space to grow. Our distribution channels will be a mixture of sports retail websites, and we believe it needs to be available in store. The reason we believe that both of these tactics need to be used is because that in the retail shops we can actually have a demonstration where people can visibly see how the product works and maybe fall in love with it right there. As well as on the retail websites, this gives us a bigger insight of how our sales will go, and exactly we can track it better, and we can also reach a wider range of customer base. Our price itself, we want to make something that is pretty affordable for people. So the Hackaball Pro itself, this little ball, will be 150 euros. This is pretty competitive considering that all other products that are used to track speed or velocity in sports come at very expensive prices, thousands of euros. But we would like this to come in and be available and be affordable to the average sports player. The accessories themselves, so the different balls, start at 25 euros because obviously a tennis ball is not as expensive as a soccer ball and so on and so forth. So the accessories, you can mix and match and choose exactly what you would like. In terms of forecasting our sales, we are going to rely on some crowdfunding here. So the way this will work is we'll get knowledge of how the market is for this product. We will gain knowledge from people maybe using the product. We will gain sales in advance and then provide them with the product that we can produce at a later time, which is very important for us. We also believe that we will increase sales at a 20% rate per year. And this is just because of traction, because of our affordable price, and because we believe in the product we have overall.